Thank you very much for this ice cream truck. I am so happy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mama, Papa, this is my new friend, Gadget Monkey. Hi there. It's great to meet you.
What we say when someone gives something to us?
Thank you, thank you.
All right, pups, I'm bringing my car. Let's go.
Have fun! I can convert my chair into 84 gadgets.
Let's drop Gadget Monkey to his home. Let's race to my home.
You ready?
Let's win this! Go, go, go! We're couple up! Yes!
Aw, look. The red car's way behind.
It's okay, we're all having fun. Let the little gadget in the red car win.
Yes, we should always be kind.
Woohoo! I'm winning! He's pulling ahead!
You won, bye.
Bye-bye, Gad Monkey!
We did it! Yay!
You won! Congratulations! Thanks! My gadget can turn into 84 different things. See? Back to the racing scene.
Bye-bye!